If we could look to the stars.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another BarkBox unboxing. I know that I haven't done one of these in a while, but I still have been continuing to get my BarkBox. I just haven't been filming it because I didn't really think you guys would be very interested in it, but I asked on my Instagram. Make sure you're following me on Instagram because I post a lot on there and I ask for a lot of advice and things from you guys, so make sure you're following me over there. If you've watched videos with Sherman in them before, Sherman is my dog. He's a golden doodle. He's very sweet, but very nosy. He also likes to stand right in front of the camera, so this should be interesting. But anyways, I asked you guys on my Instagram if I should film a BarkBox unboxing, and you guys all said yes. So I thought I would go ahead and film this today because I've had this for like 2 days and I feel really bad. I was waiting for a good time for me to film, so that time is now. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I actually have 2 doggies with me today. I have Sherman and Charlie. Charlie, we are dog sitting, and Sherman is my dog. So they are going to be kind of sharing these things. Hopefully that camera looks the same. But this is the BarkBox, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. I've got scissors. By the way, I have no idea what this month's theme is, but I'm learning all of this with you guys. Okay, so it says, the spy who licked me. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. Okay, come here, over here. So this, maybe it's like a spy theme, I don't know. Let's go ahead and open this up. You guys, this is so hard, okay. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. I love their papers. They always make the insides of their boxes so cute. Okay, so this looks like a spy traveling theme. Let's get the little paper out. This is so cute. I always love the little pages in here that they give. This says Bark Confidential. So it's like a little manila folder, and it's just so cute. And it tells you, I love in here that they show you all the different toys that you can possibly get. I know you can also buy their toys online, but they also sell BarkBox toys at Target, if you guys didn't know. I know I didn't know that, but one of my friends told me and I was like, what? So they always have really cute BarkBox toys at Target, and it just always has some really cute little activities in here. And it says, mark your disguise, and you can like pop these little things out. It's just super cute. They always like add little cute little touches. So I will say that Sherman has no allergies. He is sitting so patiently. He has no allergies, and he basically will eat anything. He's not a very picky dog. So I never have to worry about BarkBox's treats, but I know you can enter their allergies and stuff like that on the website when you do sign up for the box. And this first bag of treats is called On Her Lamisty's Secret Salmon, Lamb and Salmon Dog Treats. And their bags are always like matte, rubbery feeling. I don't know, they're really nice. And guys, these treats last me forever. I don't know about you guys. I don't give Sherman a ton of treats, so I still have treats in my pantry from like the Christmas box, I think. But they last forever, and they give you a really good amount of treats in here. So this is what they look like, and like I said, these are the lamb and salmon dog treats. There you go. I'll give Charlie one too. Charlie's a little bit more picky. They like it. This is the first toy, which is so cute. I will say that I wish I would have signed Sherman up for the Super Chewer box because he has chewed through a few of the stuffed toys that BarkBox has sent before, but they usually last a while. I think the last one he chewed through was the little lobster, and I think that was from, I don't know, it was from the fall time, I think. But this is a little guy, and he's a little agent, I think. It says, okay, so he has a grunt squeaker and a crinkle, which I love how it tells you like what, where's his crinkle? Oh my gosh, listen to that. It sounds like a toot. I like that actually much better than the squeaks. I've recently become very annoyed with the squeaky toys because Sherman likes to chew it. You're so cute. You guys see his head turning? Okay, so this is like a little agent, but he's super cute. And oh, it says Dr. Snowball. So that's really cute. So I'm gonna cut off the tag here. Ready? Go get it. Oh, there Charlie goes. Okay, so let's see the chewy toy, or the chew stick. Oh my gosh, this looks so nice. I love when I get stuff like this in the BarkBox because I save these for times that like I need to maybe, Charlie really wants it, that I need to like maybe get something done, or Sherman won't leave me alone. Maybe I'm working on school, or maybe we have guests over and he's like in our business. So I like to save these for stuff like that, just to keep him busy. But this looks so nice. This is a duck and mango chew, grain-free with turmeric, all natural. So this is what that looks like. Wow, this is like really nice. Like, it looks really nice. And I love how all of these ingredients I can like read and understand. Like, I feel really good giving this to him. So I'm not gonna give this to him now, but I'm gonna save it for another time. But I know that he'll really like that. It's really, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like pretty thick. So that will last him a while. The second bag of treats are these pig and let pie. Oh, like live and let die, pig and let pie. Apple and maple bacon dog treats. Ooh, he's gonna love these. So this is what that bag looks like. So I'm gonna open these. It's funny, as soon as I open this, he'll come running. Here he comes. Oh my goodness. These smell good. He got a bag of treats from like the Christmas box, and it was like peppermint bark, and they smelled so good. I love when dog treats actually smell good, like almost like people food. Okay, so this is apple and maple bacon dog treats. Sit. Oh, he's a good boy. These are more like cookies. The last ones were a little bit chewy, almost like jerky, but these are like little cookie bites. Sit. Good boy. This one's a little feisty over here. So yeah, these are a win. These are also wheat, soy, and corn free. A lot of their treats are grain free, which I know is like a hot debate right now. But yeah, that's what I have noticed with all of their treats and stuff. Most of them are like free of a lot of things, and a lot of them are grain free. So there's only one toy left, which is very interesting. This is a suction cup toy. I have never seen a toy like this be given in a BarkBox, but it's this little space guy, and he has 4 suction cups, and it says suction cup fun. Toss this toy or stick it to the wall. And it says suction cups, crinkles, and a classic squeaker. Ooh. Oh boy. But that's really hard to squeeze though. I don't know if he would really squeak it all that often. Some toys are really easy to squeak. This one does not seem that way. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this. I'm gonna turn you guys around and I'm gonna throw it at the wall and see if it sticks. Sherman, you ready? Set, go. Oh, that did not work. Let's try this again. I'm gonna try to stick it over here on the wall and see if it works. Okay, that's not working at all. Let's try to stick it to the window. Actually, I'm gonna try to throw it at the window. Ready? No. That did not work either. Okay, let's try to stick it on the door. There we go. Get it off. Can you get it? He's like, what did you just do, Mom? Can you get the toy? Get it off the wall. Look, Bubba. Get it. Get it. Look. Oh, that's a little hard to get off, actually. Ah, here. There you go. Try to get it. Not interested? Okay, so that is it for the BarkBox today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is kind of like a fun video for me to film because I love showcasing things that are about my dog and like talking about things that I use for my dog. So if you guys have any dog related videos or things that you want me to cover in some future videos, then let me know. I would be happy to do that. And yeah, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you guys are enjoying this new uploading schedule. I definitely am. It's giving me a lot more time to not stress about YouTube and to focus on school and stuff. So I'm not sure when I'm gonna post this. I'm thinking I'm gonna post this on Saturday, but yeah, make sure you're subscribed. I post every, well, I was gonna say Monday, Wednesday, and Friday because that's what I've been doing, every Wednesday and Saturday. So I hope you guys stick around, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
What am I doing?